Hello guys, how are you? Okay, so in this video I'm going to create a beautiful radio buttons in our table, and I hope you will enjoy this video and you will learn from it. It will be very useful for you in your applications. So let me show you what we had done in the last video. If you missed my last video, please watch it. I will add its description, sorry, link in the description so you can watch it. Okay, so let me show you what we had done. Python and main.py, we had built this application. It lists country data in table. Now I'm going to work with this table and I will add radio boxes, or you can say radio buttons, in this table. So first of all, let me show you. I designed this radio button. Actually, I designed two radio button, one for checked state. This is for checked state, and this is for unchecked state. Right now here you can also design checkboxes instead of radio buttons, and you can use checkboxes or radio buttons, whatever you like, with same method. I hope this will be useful for you, so please watch the entire video. First of all, let me improve some container width. Here I will set fill both, and second label frame, here I will set fill both. Let me show you. You can see the containers are expanded to the width of main window, and let's do same for this table. Where is the table? Here, fill both. See, right? Now let's continue. Okay, so we also need a pillow library. I already installed pillow library. See, it's already installed. Now here I will import it from pill import image tk and image. Now uh, let's create two images for checked and unchecked. Chkd um, image tk dot photo image and image dot open. This is for checked. This image will be used for checked state, and uchkd image dot, sorry, tk photo image dot open uchkd, right? This will be used for unchecked. Right now here we will remove this, we don't need it, and here we will add another column in the beginning that will hold our radio boxes. We will call it hash 0, and here one more thing, we can't use 0 here only, we have to name it, so it's hash 0, and width will be, I think, 50 will be good enough, and anchor tk dot center. We will do same for heading. tv dot heading 0, and of course we don't need any text, keep it empty, right? Now we have to configure tags. In treeview we hold our checkbox or radio box stayed in tags. So I'm going to create a tags. So here tv dot tag configure, and here we will create it for checked state, and image will be used uh, checked chkd. Let me show you here. I use chkd variable for checked image and uschkd for unchecked. So I created one tag for checked and one tag for unchecked. Unchecked image uschkd, right? Now here in lookup we will add tags. By default we will use unchecked. Okay, so by default it will be unchecked, and let me see if I missed anything. Okay, let's run it, then we will continue. Okay, you can see radio box arrived here. Okay, see one thing, the raw height is too low, so we can increase the height of the raw so it will look good. Let's increase the height of raw. So to increase the height of raw we have to configure style. ttk.style, and here we will call tv. tv is the variable that hold treeview, right? Style.configure treeview raw height. I think 30 will be good enough, or 35, or let's try with 30. Now let's check. Okay, good, it's looking good now. Now we have to work to change the state. Currently it's unchecked, even if you click it. Sorry. Okay, here we are going to bind a function on button 1. Button 1 means when you just right click one time it will select the raw. Sorry, actually I have some infection, but I'm creating this video for you. Well, I love to help you. Okay, here we will create a function. and here we will also pass event, and here I will create a raw id variable, and here tv dot I will use identify raw, right? And here I will pass event dot y. Event dot y means vertical, y means vertical, y coordinate. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to change or unchange the state. Okay, so here first we will get the current tag, so we can easily work with it later. tv dot get no tv dot item, I think, yeah, tv dot item, and here we will use raw id, and here tags, and tags in first index, so I use 0. Okay, and well, if you don't understand anything, you can always comment obviously, and I will do my best to answer it. And here tags I will convert tuple to list, because rows are in tuple and we cannot remove from there, so I am converting row into list. So here tv dot item raw id, and here I will get simply tags. Okay, now here I will simply remove tags, current tag. You got it what I am doing? I took current tag from the raw id, from the selected raw by raw id, and then I converted the whole raw tuple to the list, so I can remove the tag from it, and then I remove the tag from this raw. Okay, so now here we need to simply uh, tv dot item, we have to simply set the new tag tv dot item, and raw id and tags. Let me explain you once again. This is here I remove the tag. Okay, and now tags are empty. Now I set the empty tags here. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I will check if current tag was checked. This is a toggling state. Okay, so if tag was checked, if tag was checked, then item, sorry, tv dot item raw id, and we will set tags unchecked. else tv dot item raw id tags checked. Okay, this is a toggling. If tag was checked, then we set it to unchecked, else we set it checked. Now let's try it. Invalid syntax. Oh, sorry. Now let's click it. Let's click it. Okay, good. You can see it's working. It's checking and unchecking. But usually in the radio boxes, you can select only one row. You can select only one item from the radio list. So for that we have to do some more work. Let me show you. Currently it's checking all rows. So here we go. Simply we will get all the children's and set them all to unchecked tags. Okay, so for I in tv dot get children, here we will simply set tv dot item I and tags unchecked. Okay, so let's try it. Python main.py au uk us Canada. Now let's try it. Wow, it's working. You can see it's selecting only one row. I hope you got the point. I hope this will help you a lot. And I think this is enough for this video. We will continue from here in next video, and we will do some more work with these radio buttons. And uh, if you guys want to replace these radio buttons with checkboxes, I will use checkboxes, and then we will work further on this application. So please stay tuned, and if you did not subscribe, please subscribe to my channel and like and share my video. And I have already created a video on checkbox in the past, so you can watch that video as well. Okay guys, see you in next video. Thank you. Goodbye.